Okay, yes, this is my early morning look, but in my defense, it is early morning, and I know some people early morning routine them get up and go in the bathroom and all of that. I use the bathroom and then I come on the computer and do what I need to do. And right now I'm gonna apply for some jobs. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And it also helps that the time has changed. So it's a bit better for me. You know, I'm kind of used to getting up at this time. So we're gonna handle that. And then by, damn, it's almost 6 o'clock already. By 6 o'clock, I can get up and start freshening up myself for the morning. So it is 7 o'clock. It's time to start getting ready to go on the road. Okay, so it is basically 8 o'clock. I'll put on my sweater. Can you believe it is 80 degrees up? 70 degrees in November. That is wild, and I'm very scared for January. Wash my face and brush my teeth. Some can let up my hair for the bus stop. Usually let me keep this on if it's cold. Ah, what happened? I just put this on because, you know, I've been swimming a lot, and moisturizer, and then I'm going to put on sunscreen, but it's a moisturizer and sunscreen, so that's why I'm going to put it on. But I have to wait until my face dry first, and I need to change my pants. I think I'm going to do it's summer. I shouldn't do sweatpants, right? Okay, it's winter, but it's 70 degrees outside. I'm still going to go ahead and put my sweatpants on for the day. So at 8 o'clock, I may already get a few things done for the day with my 5 a.m. morning routine, make some time to myself. Yeah. Okay, give me a minute. So I'm thinking, today kind of gloomy. Oh yeah, it looks like it's about to rain. But if it doesn't rain, I can walk this morning and then come back home and start my editing. But then I also have to drop off my sunglasses again, see if I can get it replaced, see if it's still covered under the warranty, and get him a new one, because second time it broke. So we'll do that, yeah, and then go for a walk. Probably go for a walk in another area actually. That way we're going. But I'm still deciding if I should put on my yoga pants since I go walk, or if I should do some sweatpants. I feel for yoga pants today. So we went with the yoga pants since I'm gonna go walk. This was a kind of mess up, but I want to get something that cover right here. But maybe it's ringing. I think this is Walmart. I'm gonna put on some gloss and my earrings, maybe a chain as well. I don't know. I'm kind of feel the vibe there. All right, so it is literally, the kids have the day off today. That's all. Anyways, I don't think I'm in the best mood, but I got up, got myself together-ish, and I'm just gonna make some runs at the supermarket and come back for the day. I have to stop at Target and get some hair stuff to put in my hair because, I don't want it dry out. So I got angle that. I'm gonna do that today. And of course, I'm go outside, and autumn so I'm go outside to show off for the back of me, as per usual. Alright, so I made it to BJ's and we're just gonna pick up some grocery stuff. Okay. So they're out of my favorite rice, so I'm gonna get basmati rice. Cha. Detour. I remember that I needed a garbage bag. Hold on, a garbage bag. So we're gonna go into the Burlington. They opened a new Burlington close to my house, and I've never been inside of it. So we're gonna go in there, see if they have a new, not garbage, a laundry bin in there, and that's it. That's all we're going in there for. And that was a short trip. I didn't even take up the camera for recording Burlington. I think I need to go in there next time when I actually need something. What I wanted, they don't have the one that I want. And then overall in there look like a TJ Maxx item mixed with Marshall's item, but with the layout of like Ross, if that makes sense. So nothing really. One thing catch my eye though, because I wanted a gym bag, like a bag to put my swimming stuff in, instead of the bag I'm carrying, because I carry the reusable bag now, but I wanted to, you know, switch it out. But that's not a necessity, so I could look around until I find something else that I really like. Oh my gosh, guys, so I first of all, I'm just recorded a video a while ago and I didn't even press record, and then while I record, I'm sitting in a car. Somebody, I guess, mistake my car for theirs and was opening the car door. But she was clearly on the phone though. She was clearly on the phone. But she frightened me frightened, and she frightened at the same time. Anyways, I'm at Target trying to get non-herbal honey pot panty liners, because Marshalls don't have any. You should get them from Marshalls. Marshalls don't have none, and Walmart don't have none either. For some reason Walmart only have the herbal ones, so I'm gonna try to see if we can get that as well from there, and then head out and then on my way to my therapy session for the day. You good at talk. You call me good at talk and nothing record. But don't force something on my body. Anyways, so let's start with this extra small swimsuit. From I put it over my body, I know say it's too short already. I was looking for something that was more mid-thigh, so that when I swim, like my butt cheeks isn't really out and I didn't want my chest covered. I did see something else on their website that I might go ahead and exchange this for, if it's even worth it. But I'm gonna try this and see how it look. I didn't know they're expensive either, so okay, so far so good. Yeah. I thought, okay, so I don't think my boobs are going to hold in this. God help me, my hope my titty didn't fly out of this. Alright. Oh, there we go. See this? This right here? This is a problem. Let me see if I can bring it down. I guess it works. And right here. I don't like right there, so I don't know, I think I've seen that bag right there. I feel like they could have done a lot more with right here. They could have shaped it out better. Like, I'll probably have to bring it all the way up here so it doesn't have that midsection here. I'm not even know if I can see it. I'm gonna make sure so I can see it. So this is the midsection part that I don't like that. I don't love it. And then you pull it down, it just look. I don't like this. It's giving diaper. I don't like this. I'm probably will send this back. And we can return at 4/21, so we'll drag. Let's send this back. I like the idea because it has covered as I'd like it to be. The chest them not drop out at the top. I prefer that when my chest them not dropping out at the top. But At this point, I'm probably exchange it for the one I'm gonna see with the sleeves as well. I'll just cover the whole out there so to keep them secured. Just cover the whole out there. So, and it's like if me like was vacationing not different, but me I constantly assume I just want them want it secured. So I might think about it, but I might just exchange it. So this brand is the Glow brand, and they're known for their like workout bodysuit things. I'm gonna see somebody swimming in it, so I was like, I'm going to try to swim in it as well. So I'm gonna try them on and see. This brand seems like it's a bit more professional. I look like some wrap up with tag and bear things. Alright, let's see. Ooh, the material already feel nice and soft. It looks really small too, like I got the wrong size. And yep, I did. I got extra small. This not gonna fit me. I already know, but I'm gonna try it on. I mean, it's giving compression, but it's too tight around my leg. Cut off my circulation. Yeah. A small is better around. Alright, here's my thing. It is buttery soft. It fits. But you see the line there right there, so the line is right here. Me titty there and there, so, and I have to the breast part there. That is an issue. Yeah, I really wanted to love this, but even if I get a small, I gotta check. I get small and see, but titty wise, if I were to bring my breast up in which part it's supposed to be. Or is it that big of a deal for me to bring it back? It looks nice, feels. If I had smaller breasts, this would be perfect. I do not, so this isn't perfect. And as much as this feels good, I don't want, unfortunately. So okay, so yeah, yes, I am disappointed because I'm actually looking forward to swimming in one of those for tomorrow, and I cannot because the little ear there right there, so that's to go. So nope, that has to go back. I'll switch it for something else. Yeah, I'll switch for something. I just don't think I said it if you look. And then the Glow one, material feel nice, but that breast part there, I have to do something on. If the extra small feels like an extra small feels snug, you know. I get that small, it now a snug on my body, but it might fit the breast part. So I'm gonna look online and see. But yeah, my breast is not gonna fit into that. The next thing we're gonna look at is some shirt. Just some basics, 2 basic top I did buy, and I really bought them to wear my sweatpants and then my sweater and then the things there. So let's see how it fits. This material is gonna be horrible for like sweating. I feel like the heat, so I'll make my bun up. It's winter though. Let's see. I just feel like I send back everything and take my money. Okay. All right. Not bad. I mean, it was like $3-4, so I guess not bad. And it served this is going to be what it's for. Sorry myself. So yeah, not bad. Would I wear it like this though? I don't know. It's not too long, it's short enough. I feel like I could have got an extra small though, but no, this I'm up on. It's Shein, yeah. Like just the way how it cut up here, so the line right, and so it's just not made right, but I don't know if I'm just used to a different type of quality and stuff, that's why I say that. But can be like a everyday wear tops, pull on, so I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, that's the only reason I keep it. Okay. I bought it in this color and in black. I feel like this is so weird tucked in. I'll just make them work. It's whatever. As you can see, I am quite disappointed, especially in as you know, look so forward to swimming in them tomorrow. Come and say yes, we can rest the one we have. So I'll probably have to go wear a shirt and a button tomorrow. If I finish one of the bots with them, I'm off wear. I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out. Anyways, I'll keep this. Until next time. I think that's it for the night. Figure out how to return these Shein things.